Hello, in this PulseWorx-EZ video, I'm going to go ahead and create a new file from my existing installed devices. This can happen if you've lost your UPB file or if you never had a UPB file. And that sometimes happens with homeowners who want to take over maintenance of the system and improvements and making changes from a professionally installed UPB installation. So we're going to go ahead and select from the application menu, new file from network. And what it's going to do is brings a dialog, and all you have to do is find one of your devices and put it in setup mode. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I now have device in setup mode, and I'm going to go ahead and hit start. So it's going to read from that device. It's going to get information about the network. Then it's going to do an operation to find all the other devices on your network, which takes a little while, and it says it found 6 devices. It's found that our network ID is 189, our network name is UPB network, not particularly imaginative, and its password is 24CF, and it's found 6, and it's going to go ahead and it's going to find each device on your network. So it's adding that in, and now it's found a keypad. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video here and pick up when it's added all the rest of the devices, because each operation is just about the same. Okay, we're back. It's gone ahead and it's added all those devices. It's finished. It says it's found 6 out of 6. And here are those devices that have now been added to the file. If you've got devices that were installed that were never added to your network. Now, I know that sounds kind of strange, but it's actually, I've seen installations where that's happened. People have put in PulseWorx switches, and they work great. They control the load, but they never actually added them to network. They're, of course, not going to be found. Also, it can become confusing if you have PulseWorx switches and you also have slave switches, which appear to be in exactly the same switch, but they're really not. They're just an electrical extension of the existing PulseWorx switch. That's not going to be found since you don't actually communicate with that switch. So sometimes it can be difficult to know exactly what you've got in your network, but if this will get you a good start, and then you can look around and you can find all your other network devices. If you have non-PulseWorx devices, it will add those to the file, but as before, you won't be able to configure them beyond that. That's all there is to this.